Hello, today we are going to solve one question from WBCS Main General Studies paper 3. So let's see what is in this question. King Chandra of Mehrauli iron clear inscription has been identified with Chandragupta Maurya or Chandragupta 1, Chandrasen or Chandragupta 2. Okay. As we know that the Mehrauli iron pillar praises the valor and qualities of the king referred to simply as a Chandra. Praises the valor and qualities of a king referred to simply as Chandra, who has been identified with the Gupta king Chandragupta II Vikramaditya, who has been identified with the Gupta king Chandragupta II Vikramaditya. Okay. The Iron Pillar of Delhi is a 7-meter high pillar. The pillar in Delhi is a 7-meter or 22 feet high pillar in the Kutab complex, which is notable for the composition of the metal used in its construction. In the Qutub complex, which is notable for the composition of the metals used in its construction. It was erected by Chandragupta II Vikramaditya at 375 Common Era to 414 Common Era. It was erected by Chandragupta II Vikramaditya 375 to 414 Common Era. Therefore, the right answer is option 4. Okay, so we have successfully answered this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.